Hello everybody, क्या हाल चाल सबके बढ़िया. Today we are here to unbox this DJI Mic Mini and I guess ये DJI का सबसे low cost सबसे cheap mic होगा in terms of price, but इसकी quality studio level की it's kind of amazing. And yeah, as you can see, we have got all these things in the box. We've got receiver, we have got two transmitters, we have got one charging case, also a carrying pouch. That's nice. We've got two clip magnets and one mobile phone adapter so that you can also connect this mic with your iPhone and Android. Also, we have got 4 windscreen, one camera audio cable, one USB charging C cable, and some documentations. And also you can see a badging of that it's made also for iPhones. So yeah, we've got this DJI website over here, DJI branding, something written in Chinese, so we don't care about it. And yeah, a DJI Mic Mini photo over on the front side. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So it's not any kind of sponsored video. I've bought this on my own expense, and since now I am into making videos on both YouTube and social media, YouTube and Instagram, both platforms, so that's the reason all these things are necessary. And yeah, the content which I shoot is majority from my DJI Action 4, for which unboxing video is already out on my channel. You guys can check it out. And since उसका जो mic है एक्शन कैमरे का, वो उतना कुछ खास नहीं काम करता है when it comes to motor vlogging and stuff. There's wind blast, right? So उसमें काफ़ी आवाज़ का distortion होता है, इसलिए wireless mic was also important. And since it's most budget friendly mic, so alright, so this is how the box is looking. And थोड़ा सा अनबॉक्स करने में यहाँ से फट गया, कोई बात नहीं. और अब मुझे देखना होगा कि ये खुलेगा किधर से. इधर से, yes, perfect. Let's see what's inside the box. So yes, everything is inside this, and the documentation side of things are separate out. देखते हैं पहले की documentation में क्या क्या है. Okay, so we have got some cool stickers also, that's good. I'll for sure paste these on my bike and on my helmet as well. It's good. एक्शन कैमरा से ज़्यादा स्टिकर्स दिए यार माइक में. Strangely, this is something which I was not expecting. इसको साइड रख देते हैं, बाद में पैक करेंगे. And yeah, we have got some documentation in English and Chinese, for which I don't that much care. And yeah, start guide, quick start guide, this is also in English and Chinese. So this is the important thing. Important thing out of all the documentation, because while setting it up for the first time, you can use this, follow the steps which are mentioned. And yeah, these are some safety guidelines. So let's keep everything aside, and then let's jump straight back to what we have got in this pouch. Okay, we have got first the DJI branding, and it's, kind of amazing that the quality of this pouch is so good. First time हाथ में लेने में it's काफ़ी premium feel हो रहा है, and it's also got the DJI branding on the front side, so it's very very nice. First impression is 10 out of 10. And what's inside this, let's check out. So I guess this is yeah, this is the connector which was mentioned on the box also. This is the 3.5mm jack connector, and this is the USB charging cable. It's type C to type A, so that's good. And let's see what else we have got. Oh, these are the cushions, right? The soft cushions to cancel out the noise. So ये हम लोग अपने mics पे add कर सकते हैं while doing the motor vlog. And I guess we have got around 2 to 3, yeah, 4 cushions. Nice, very nice. Love the way DJI is kind of handling everything above our expectations, right? Let's keep this, it's important thing. Now what we have got, the main thing over here. Okay, box, I mean the pouch is so good, feels so great. पहले इंप्रेशन जब किसी चीज़ का अच्छा पड़ जाता है ना तो मज़ा आता है फिर अनबॉक्स करने में आगे. Let's see what's inside this case. So this is the main charging case right here. We have got the DJI branding. We've got the LED lights to indicate the charging percentage, I guess, and we've got the Type C port over here, so we can charge this case using Type C cable, which we have got Type A to Type C, and it's lit and press to unlock. So once we press this, it will be unlocking itself. You can remove this, right? We know how to open it, so let's stick it over here. Alright, so what we have got inside this box. So this is the main thing. This is the DJI Mic Mini, and it feels so light. कितना premium feel and कितना premium look है, and alongside the look it's kind of very light and very small. It doesn't seem like a heavy mic or something which is visible. So we have got one receiver, right? This is one mic. We've got two transmitter mics. So one is here with magnets as well. We got buttons, power on off buttons and pairing button. And similarly we have got another mic as well with the same configurations, magnet, power on off button, pairing button. And I'll also show you guys in my next video that how to pair it with my DJI Action 4. And this is the transmitter, right? I mean the receiver. Here we have the knob so that हम लोग manage कर सकते हैं इसका level, right? And here we got the connector, so in case you want to connect this with your phone, you can also use the connector cable. And yeah, we've got the light for indicating the power. Here we have got the pairing button, same just like our mic. So यहाँ से हम लोग pair भी कर सकते हैं इसको press and hold करके. It's nice here. And also we have got, what's this? Oh nice, we have got this Type C connector as well. So हम लोग अगर चाहें तो इसको Type C से connect भी कर सकते हैं अपने फ़ोन में. Since it's also got the Bluetooth functionality in it, so it can be connected wirelessly as well with all the DJI products, whether it may be Osmo Pocket or maybe action cameras, anyway, right? So any version of the action camera. And you can see, as I said, कि यहाँ charging levels indicate होंगे LED lights से. So currently it's 1, so I need to charge it. And yeah, also the feel of this case is so good. I mean, so sturdy and so good with the DJI branding as well. Yep, so यही था guys. I mean, this was a short and simple unboxing of this DJI Mic Mini, and these are all the box contents which we have got. And yeah, stay tuned for another video in which I'll be showing you guys कि मैं कैसे इसको how to connect DJI Mic Mini with my DJI Action 4 camera, right? And yeah, I've also got the DJI Action Camera 4 unboxing video on my channel out there, so I'll attach the link with this video so you guys can check it out. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. Drop your comments around your suggestions कि क्या आपको इस वीडियो में unboxing वीडियो में अच्छा लगा. Are you planning to buy this DJI Mic Mini? And I'll drop a short on my YouTube channel about the review of this DJI Mic Mini. मैं इसको एक बार अपने एक्शन कैमरा से टेस्ट करूँगा. एंड आप अगर चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लोगे तो आप देखोगे ही कि आने वाले अगले वीडियोज़ में मैं इसी एक्शन कैमरा और DJI Mic Mini का पूरा एक सेटअप यूज़ करने वाला हूँ हर वीडियो के लिए. तो stay tuned and please make sure you subscribe the channel. So yeah, this is what we have got for the unboxing video of DJI Mic Mini, and hopefully you liked it. Cheers, bye.